Hey guys, me and my brother were getting ready to actually drive this Lamborghini.
Spring comes like it's something in the air at that time.
Hey guys, this is my brother Nick, and he works on supercars.
Yep.
And today we're gonna actually take this beautiful Murcielago out for a ride. And basically, it's not working. I think like what? You pulled an engine out of it and did a lot of work with the engine, right?
Big major clutch, engine, ignition, valve adjustment, you name it, fluid, everything.
That is awesome.
Everything.
Well, my brother, he's absolute pro when it comes to working on supercars. I'm just pretty much a diesel guy.
That's good. Though.
But I'm learning. My brother's talking me into getting a Porsche. I always wanted one. And he knows how to work on them, obviously. So it's a good thing that he does, because I can't afford to fix one if I get one. But if you get a Porsche, it's like,
that's right.
That's not something you have to think about.
That's right.
Remember Top Gear? He was screaming, "This Lamborghini is driving so fast!" Oh yeah. You know that guy. Oh, you know, he's like screaming like that.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be not looking back. Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde. A classic cliche, we're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights up, done with my own doubt.
Stan, is this stock or modified, man? This is stock, man. I only do stock. With this guy, it's like, you want to go? You want to go?
This is the beat of broken hearts that I love. We can go on.
With this car, you know, the type of joke that goes, it's like, hey, I got a Lamborghini. It's like, I got a BMW, hold my beer.
Yeah, this thing.
Still, it's so much horsepower, but man, like, what do you have in here? Like 900 horsepower?
Nah, dude. 600,
Because
600 wheel. Too much fun. And that's real, dude. 8 miles to the gallon.
8 miles to the gallon?
Oh yeah, dude.
A little bit more than my Mazda RX-8. Well, that thing is not economical at all. That thing's like probably like 13 miles per gallon. So guys, the way you get into the Lamborghini, you want to sit with your butt first, then get in it, because everything in here is like 8,000, 30,000, 20,000. You don't want to mess anything up. And the seat belt, interesting enough, it's on the left side. Kind of convenient, actually.
Pretty cool, huh?
Very cool. Living a dream, huh?
Black and white.
The cops are gonna come. Nick's gonna be like, yo, can you see it?
Yo, that's fucking. Did you just say 1080p? His cameras are 4K and it's gonna be playing 1080p here.
Yeah.
Wait, I think my camera's MP4.
It don't matter. They play at the 1080p.
This is gonna look bad on there.
Yeah, it's gonna look bad, bro.
No, this footage is gonna look amazing from these GoPros.
Yeah. That's what Nick was recording a video. He's like, yeah, this is really cool. And he's like, hey, it's like a super car. I was watching people.
This car here, it is bad. Look at the forged wheels, guys. So amazing. One piece aluminum. This car is crazy. Stan, it's so beautiful, man. M5.